a quiet night so far. We are going to see some rain and storms on the way, so pretty soggy weather is expected for the start of this week. But you know what they say, April showers bring May flowers. We could actually use the rain since we've been in a deficit for quite some time. 81 degrees currently, clouds building in, humidity dew point up close to the 70s, upper 60s. So indication that there is some moisture, especially driven by that southwest wind. Feels like temperature out the door 84 degrees. Now earlier today we had a high of 89 degrees and yesterday we hit 91. So pretty much close to our record heat, but really just well above average in the low 80s. And since we did have a mainly southwest wind to start us off, that's what really helped us heat up. But then as soon as that southeast onshore breeze kicked in, that's what pretty much cuts off the temperatures from heating up any further. So that's why today was a little bit cooler than yesterday's low 90s. So over the next few hours, temperatures do remain in the 70s. Stray shower here or there can't be ruled out between now and 7 a.m., but a better chance to see some storm activity will start to roll through after 11 o'clock in the morning. So we are shooting for a first warning weather day, which means there's the potential to see a few strong to isolated storms developing as we go throughout your Monday afternoon. Storms to our south, notice dodging South Florida completely, so we're not too concerned with those. The ones that I'm watching though are just off to our north, and already there was some pretty nasty weather rolling over Tampa earlier. Orlando nonstop with that rain and storm activity. Eventually we are going to see a lot more moisture coming in with this frontal boundary when it does stall out over central Florida, and that's going to give us the environment to see the potential for some strong storms. So as I mentioned, isolated, which means 3 to 1 of those storms that we do get for tomorrow could be a little bit on the stronger end. And by strong, we mean we could see winds gusting into the 60s and the potential to see some small hail. So one of the other big threats that we are going to be dealing with is a lot of heavy rainfall. So the chance for some ponding on the roadways, if we do have rain training in the same locations, cannot be ruled out. But for now, we're going to be on the lookout for the strong wind gusts, as I mentioned, and the chance to see hail up to an inch. Tornadoes, not really too much of a threat. But here's what we're looking at as we go throughout your early morning hours. Again, as I mentioned, isolated shower between now all the way until 7 a.m. Then we're going to see the swath of moisture pretty much picking up for most northern communities. So that includes Indian River County and Okeechobee County, where you guys do have the opportunity to see a few strong storms prior to the lunch hour, and then pretty much scattered throughout the remainder of your late afternoon. So we are going to see some of that heavy rain even work into southern Palm Beach County with the potential to see that strong storm. So again, this is all associated with this front that's going to kind of just stall out over Monday. By Tuesday, it's going to lift up again, and that's going to increase our moisture, giving us a chance for some more scattered rain and storms, and also the potential to see a few more strong to isolated storms as well. So severe weather likely today. Tuesday, another probable day for severe weather, and then we'll start to see better conditions heading into your Wednesday. But take a look for rainfall totals anywhere between 4 to 5 inches of rain for portions of the Treasure Coast, Okeechobee County, down towards Palm Beach County. Some neighborhoods could see up to 1 to 3 inches of rain, but pretty much the entire state of Florida, we are going to see quite the soaking here. So we are expecting to see a healthy amount of rain that we could actually really use. So as I mentioned though, first warning weather day for your Monday. We are going to monitor for Tuesday being issued, but most likely by Wednesday though, better, drier conditions with low 80s, and we're going to see some drier weather starting Thursday into your Friday. By next week, and a chance for rain returns. That's your first warning forecast. All right, Brooke, thank you.